Okay, good morning. It's actually raining now, and we're in a place called Heusden, which is halfway between Maastricht and Neuage and then Asel. Beautiful little town, except that it's raining. But oh no, it's just stopped. I think. Okay, this is good. This is good. So this is, and it's got 3 windmills. Like there's one right there. And there's Terrell, who just fell off the steps.
With my drone chasing.
And he's doing his drone stuff, so he's just being irresponsible, really. Oh, look now.
Huh?
The bridge has caught my umbrella. Oops, okay, that's good. All right. And there's the town. When we came into this town, we were cursing and swearing because we couldn't figure out, because there was construction in front of the hotel, and we got caught in very, very narrow passages where we had to back out of and everything like that. And so we came a bit to the hotel in a grumpy mood, because they didn't tell us that there was renovations right in front where you couldn't access the hotel. But anyway, we had a good sleep, and we had a nice conversation with a guy from Bangladesh, who is now living in Valencia and has lots of opinions about interesting opinions. So we feel a lot better. And there's Terrell with his drone, and he's feeling a lot better too. But he's got lots of injuries from the drone and from other
Falling
things.
out of bed?
And falling out of bed. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
The hotel is, which one is it?
No, that's our hotel there. It's our window right in the corner there.
Yeah. One of the nice things about this town is that every house seems to be from a different age of architecture. So they're all different. And lots of these towns don't have that.
Sla linksaf en sla rechtsaf.
So is this one?
Yep.
You don't know.
Left here, yeah, I do. Oh.
Can we walk this way? Can
We have to go this way.
Yeah, we have to. Is that going to be okay?
Yeah, that's what this is
Oh,
doing.
there's all cars, yeah.
Over 200 meter. Sla linksaf.
Now,
I'm right. Okay. Now 40 meters to go left here. Left here.
look at this.
190 meters on the right.
There's no parking here.
Yeah, they said parking's free parking.
Little Suzuki. Well, it's actually quite a big Suzuki, and it does a good job. We're happy with that. But now we're getting a bit used to it. There's the clock tower. And what did you have to do?
And here's a house for sale. Maybe we'll buy that.
Oh yeah, there's a to cope.
If you do a landscape, I can fit it better on my.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Yeah. I'm just turning around. This is on Terrell's instructions. Last night when we came here, we got so lost, even though it's a tiny little town, and we got told in a rather rude manner by the hotel young people who were running the place, and they obviously couldn't give a shit about us because we were way too old to give a shit about. Anyway, they said, why can't you just find a parking spot on the side of the road? And we thought, shit. So we tried, and an hour later, we found something. And I am really upset about that, and I hope that this makes it to my review.